I'm saying, let's give love a chance.
Cha-da-cha-da.